Developing tonight, a major change in plans for Maumee as the Ohio Supreme Court unanimously ruled to block a proposed recall election. Dan Cummins joining us in studio tonight. So what do we know right now, Dan?
Jeff, tonight we're hearing from recall candidates at tonight's Write-In Candidate Forum on what the future now holds. Here's the story.
It changes things a little bit, but it's not going to change what we're doing.
At tonight's Write-In Candidate Forum in Maumee, Chelsea Ziss planned on speaking as the mayoral candidate for the recall election. That changed just hours before the forum began with the Ohio Supreme Court ruling to end the proposed recall on the mayor and 6 city council members. She tells WTOL 11's Faye Sahowski,
We hoped it wouldn't, but there's a reason we have backup plans and make sure that we're planning for the future.
Thursday's forum was to bring 8 recall candidates to the stage. One recall candidate dropped this morning due to petition issues, and another had to drop after the Supreme Court ruling. Those now 6 joined 2 current council members who are up for a re-election tonight, and all 8 are fighting for the 4 open spots on council. Of those 8 is Ziss, still fighting for a seat on council.
None of us up there are stopping what we're doing. We're not stopping learning. We're not stopping reading through everything, going to the meetings. We're going to keep doing what we're doing and going for the changes that we want to make.
And of the 2 candidates now out of the race is David Ross, who only ran for the recall election.
I'm disappointed, obviously, because I expected to be up on stage today, taking part in this candidate forum, but I'm no longer am.
This would have been Ross's first position in city government, and although he says he doesn't think he'll run again himself, his support remains.
I will try to help these candidates as much as possible to get elected in November, because I still think we need to have some change and some positive change in Maumee and our city government.
Mayor Jim McDonald tells us he's happy with the decision, saying justice was served today with a decision by the Ohio Supreme Court to overturn the recall effort. We are grateful for this outcome. Challenging the recall initiative reflected the city's unwavering commitment to ensuring that the rule of law is respected, and we appreciate everyone who supported those efforts. But Ziss says she sees this as only a temporary setback.
We're committed to the community, whether it's via recall election, whether it's as mayor, whether it's the council person, or if being a part of a committee that we create ourselves. We're going for it.
The moderator for tonight's event was Steve Iwanek from WTOL 11. This is an ongoing situation we'll continue to follow here on WTOL 11. Reporting in studio tonight, I'm Dan Cummins.